So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about Google Ads. So how to implement Google Ads in your Android project. So let's start. So first we are going to search Google Ads in Android. So this is the official website of Google Ads. Click on here. Then get started. So first of all you need to add this library into your Gradle project. This is latest one. So just copy it here and go to your Gradle folder, like add it here. Okay, second thing, go to your manifest file and add this metadata, this one. So you need to change this one with this, because once you copy from here, this will be something else. So you just copy these things and add it here. Okay, after that you just initialize to checking that your library is working fine or not, so you can use these things. Okay, then click on implement banner ads, and banner ads, copy this entire thing, copy from here, and this add to your XML part. So go to your XML, add it here. Okay, so I'm added here with the some XML, this constant layout properties. Okay, because I wanted this ads at top. Then create these things, or you can from here this, copy all those things and paste it in your main activities. So I have done same things. I have created add view and view IDs. Then here I requested for the load request. Then I am going to run this project. So yeah, now it's showing test ad. With the test ad you can change your two IDs, this IDs, this IDs. Okay, this this is the app ID. Okay, and one more is ad ID, which we are using here in banner ads. So this one is app ID, sorry, this one is ad ID, and this one is app ID. So once you create your account into Google Ads AdMob, you will get these two IDs. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.